Hello and welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for joining me on a Monday for a Make It Monday video. I have this cute little bag for you today using the Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper. Now this paper, if you're looking in your spring, summer or your annual catalogue, you won't find it. This is a Sale-a-bration free gift with purchase. And it is available for you to choose when you spend £45 in either the annual or the spring summer catalogue before the end of March. And it's lovely, and it's bright and fun, and it coordinates with the bubble over stamp sets and framelets that are in the spring summer catalogue. They're on page 32. Now I don't have this stamp set, I will completely be honest with you. Didn't buy this one, not because I don't like it, because I think it's fab, but I think there's lots of really cool ideas out there on Pinterest already. So I haven't grabbed this one, but I did grab the pack of Designer Series paper. And I have a fun card using it as well, coming for you on Wednesday over on my blog, so link will be in the down bar below for that. But it's got some really fun bright colours in it. And I just thought it was really cute, so I'm going to use it today. I'm going to use this piece here with the stripes on. It has the bottle tops on the back, but and I haven't got that suite of products. They're kind of a bit lost on me. But just before I put this away, I do want to mention that the bottle caps and this paper with the bottles on coordinates with the framelets in that with that stamp set. So they will cut out, the framelets will cut out that exact bottle out of the Designer Series paper, which I think is very cool. And it's something that Stampin' Up are doing more and more of now, where we get a pack of Designer Series paper that coordinates with a stamp set or a pack of dies. And it means that you've kind of got more out of that pack of Designer Series paper, which I think is very cool. So, piece of Designer Series paper that measures 6 inches by 5.5 or 15 centimetres by 14 centimetres. And we're going to score on the short side first. I'm going to put the 5.5 inch side at the top. And we're going to score at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 3 3/4 and 5 inches. That is 3, 6, 9 and 12 centimetres. We're going to turn it around and we're going to score at 1 inch or 2.5 centimetres. So just while I fold and burnish this, we are making a bag, so we do want the folds to be nice and sharp. I've been loving Sale-a-bration this year, and there's some fabulous things. I have another Sale-a-bration item actually in this project, which is one of the second release items, which they're just stunning, and I really love this stamp set. I think it's this Wednesday, it might be next Wednesday. I have a fabulous video where we have got loads and loads of projects coming to you with this, which is the Blooming Basket stamp set, and this one comes with the where is it? The basket weave embossing folder. This one's a bit more expensive. This is free with a £90 odd, but it's gorgeous. And this is going to be in the next annual catalogue. So it's worth getting now, isn't it, really? So, on the bag, back to the bag, we've got our kind of long bits and our short skinny bits. Got short skinny bits at the bottom, and we've got this piece here we're going to just chop off and get rid of. Then, up each one of these score lines, which are really hard to see on the stripy paper, I'm going to turn it over, we're going to chop up the score lines just to that first horizontal, just like that. And I think, yeah, I've managed to cut a bit wrong there, but that's okay, I'll just chop that out. And I am going to put some adhesive along this side here. Now I'm going to use snail for speed. If I wasn't on video, I'd be using something like tear and tape, or if you've still got some red line tape, something like that, along that skinny edge. I'm going to fold that over like so. And then the bottom, we're going to find that seam. So that seam is there. That's the back of our box. We're going to put the two sides in and the back one. This one then becomes the front. Now you will notice that they are a bit skinnier than the actual width of the box, but that's absolutely fine. You just need to put some tape along the edge and it'll fold up. The reason I've done that is to keep this nice and tall, because I was going to fold it over. I wanted this length nice and tall, but I also want to be able to get 4 of these out of one sheet of designer series paper. So if I'd have made it a bit longer, it would have been awkward. So that's why I've done that. So I'm going to fold in the 2 sides. I'm going to take it all the way down like so, and I'm literally just going to fold it over, and I'm going to fold it forwards like that, and then I'm going to grab one of our library binder clips just to hold it. Okay, so my camera's cut off again. I'm going to fold the top over, and I'm going to hold it shut with a library binder clip while I tie a knot. Now this one has a bow in basic grey ribbon. This ribbon is the same pack, by the way. It's the shimmer ribbon that's also free with a £45 order during Sale-a-bration. This is the Calypso Coral one because I'm going to use Calypso Coral ink, and I'm just going to tie a cute little, hopefully a cute little knot, but you never know with me, and on camera magic things happen. So I'll just pull that there we are, look, a cute little square knot. I'm going to just trim that off. If I wasn't on camera as well, I would be taking, this sounds dreadful, taking a lighter to this ribbon just to seal the ends, but I'm not going to do that on camera. It stops the ribbon from fraying, keeps it looking pretty. Love that. So we just need a bit of stamping. I've taken the stamp out of the Blossoming basket stamp set that says Here For You. I don't want the here bit, so I'm just going to ink up the For You. So I've got my stamp already on my block. I'm going to take a piece of post-it note and just lay that across there. Then I can take my Calypso Coral ink, get that stamp nice and inky, take the post-it note off, and then stamp that down. And we've selectively stamped. We could have inked with our Stampin' Up markers as well, but I've not done that this time. And I've grabbed the Everyday label punch. I'm going to punch one out of Whisper White, and I'm going to put the sentiment right over to one side, because as you can see I've trimmed the label down a bit. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'll take the piece of Calypso Coral as well, and then we just need our paper snips. So really simple. Oh, my camera's about to run out of battery. I'm going to just insert this back, the label back into the punch, right over, and punch, so you've got it thinner like that. Then, really simple, hopefully before my camera battery dies, I'll just trim that there, and trim that there like that. Then we're going to pop some snail on the back, and adhere it on to the other label. We can then insert that back into our punch, line it up, like that, and punch, and take our snips again and trim along like that. And then all we need to do is grab a dimensional on the back of there, and then that onto the front of our bag. And that is my cute little gift bag. Perfect for mini eggs. I think that's what's probably going to go into mine. Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget, anything you've seen on my videos can be purchased in my online store. Link is in the down bar below, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.